Hello kids, how are you all? I hope all of you are fit and fine at your places. Today we are going to start with chapter number 14 of your EVS book. This chapter is related to pets. What are pets, bache? Pets are those animals which we can keep at our home easily. Okay. Some of the pets are dogs, okay, cats, parrots, sparrows, fishes, tortoise, rabbits. I'm going to tell you different type of pets today and the way they live, their houses, the food they eat, everything we are going to discuss in this chapter. Let's start. Lesson 14, our pets. Yes, what do you see here in this picture? One girl is sitting with a dog and there is food. Now let's see what they are saying. Hira is my pet dog. Hira wags his tail when he sees me. He guards our house. We love Hira. The name of the dog is Hira. Okay. He wags his tails. Wag means move like this. When he sees this girl. He guards our house. Whenever they are not there, he always guards the house. We love Hira. They all love Hira. But as you know, dogs are very cute. They are very honest, okay, they are very faithful. Whenever we keep them at our home as a pet, they give us a lot of love, and in return also they expect love from us. Okay, so dogs are very good pets to be kept at home. We play with them. We share everything with them. We give them food every day. So they are very good. Many of my friends have pets. Ali has fishes. Lata has a small tortoise. Ravi has a parakeet. Ravi does not keep his parakeet in a cage. Look here in this picture. He's Ali. He's having fishes. She's Lata. She's having a tortoise. He is Ravi. He's having a parakeet. Parakeet is a parrot. This boy doesn't keep parakeet in a cage because he wants that parakeet should live freely. Students, as you know, it's very difficult for us to live in a one room. When someone will knock us in one room, it's difficult for us to live. The same way is with animals and birds. If we'll keep them under lock, they will not feel free. So we should not keep them in cages or in one room. Okay, if we are keeping pets, we should care them properly. Now, let's continue. You cannot keep a lion as a pet at home. Can you tell why? Think of some more animals that cannot be kept as pets. Yes, this is a lion in the picture. We can't keep it at home because he will eat us all. That's why there are more animals which we can't keep at home, like elephant, giraffe, tiger. Okay, these are big animals. We can't keep them at home and it's not safe also. Okay. Now look here in this picture. What do you see? Aquarium. One boy is standing near aquarium. Okay. Aquarium is a house of fishes. Many of you have seen aquarium in reality also, or in pictures or in books also. This is a house of fishes. In this, fishes live. And what do you see here in the next picture? Rabbits. One girl is standing near rabbits. This is a house of rabbits and it is called hutch. Rabbits live in hutch and fishes live in aquarium. All pets need a place to live in. As we need home to live in, pets also need a place, na? The same way they are having houses like us. Fishes are kept in an aquarium. Rabbits live in a hutch. This is hutch. A dog sleeps in a kennel. Kennel, have you all seen kennel? It is like hut only. Small hut we have made for our dogs. That place is called kennel. The place where dogs live is called kennel. We give our pets good food and clean water. We always provide them good food, clean water. To live, we need food. The same way, they also need food. We always give them good food, clean water so that they remain healthy. We keep our pets clean. We keep their homes clean. We play with them. We always keep our pets clean. We make them bath once or twice in a week. We keep their homes clean. We also play with them. And we feel so fresh after playing with them. We take our pets to a doctor when they fall ill. As when we fall ill, we go to doctor, na? The same way, when our pets got ill, we take them to doctor. A doctor who treats animals is called a vet. What we call a doctor? A vet. A doctor that treats animals is a vet. V-E-T, vet. Remember this word. The vet gives medicines for our pets. We love our pets. This is a doctor. He gives medicine to the pets whenever they are not well. And all of us love our pets. I hope all of you understood the chapter well. Bye-bye.